new key has been successfully generated. Then plug in OBD. OBD is on the right. Select Demo and Remote. Toyota. Select from Vehicle. Asia. Find GR86. After 2021. Smart Key. Add Smart Key. Turn on the ignition. Press twice to turn on the ignition switch. OK. OK. Attach the original car key to the start button. 1 buzz. Then attach the new key to the start button. Also 1 buzz. OK. The count of keys is 3. Click OK. Program complete. Exit the system. Turn off the ignition. Test the remote control. Remote control is normal. Now we take the original car keys out of the car. Put new key here. Step on the clutch. Step to the bottom. Press the start button. Smart normal. Comfortable entry. Lock the car. Unlock. Lock. Unlock.
Så.
Trunk. Slowly approach the vehicle with the key. Open the trunk. GR86 key program complete.